Hi everyone, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can register and get your affiliate link code with us. First, I'm gonna have to share screen with you and we'll get into our dashboard, okay? So basically, almost every pages on our program, the URL, the website that we are offering for you to, have access as an affiliate uh, under our affiliate program, you will be able to see the become an affiliate button here. Okay, so what you just need to do is click that button and you will have to register. Okay, so first thing foremost is there is a kind of like a introduction, what is an affiliate here, kind of like all information that you need to know about affiliate program. And also, I just like to remind you that in our program, the courses, all the program that we are selling and we have as an affiliate program with us has a 50% affiliate commission. So basically from the program that we are selling, which is the $99, you will be able to get at least $49 or almost $50, per anyone who bought the or purchased the program, the product that we are selling. Okay. So once you are here, you just need to click the become an affiliate button and you will just register. Okay. So I want you to be able to, see the entire video tutorial. So you will know exactly what is the affiliate program and how is the look from your dashboard when you already an affiliate registered an affiliate with us. So first and foremost, you just need to accept the terms and condition because there is money involved here for the commission. All you need to do is request affiliation. And since you don't have an account with us, what you need to do is you need to register. Okay. So very important. This is very basic and straightforward, self-explanatory. You just need to fill up everything here, your full name, your email, your confirming your email, your date of birth, mobile phone number, your address, which country you're from, and most especially is the password that you are going to use. And remember, you need to bookmark your email and password so you can be able to access your affiliate dashboard when you log into your account. So basically, it says here uh, payment type, how you're going to receive your commission. So we recommend to use PayPal, but we can also transfer money, however you want to get your commission. Okay, so once you fill out everything here and create your account, okay, what you need to do is get back to the platform itself and you need to register, right? You need to register again, okay? I'll set you an example what I mean. So you can see literally, so yeah, here, request an, no, okay, request an affiliation. You need, when you create your account, you just need to basically, of course, log into your account, your email and your password, okay? And hang on. Agent. I will show you how it's gonna look like when you get into your dashboard, okay? There you go. So as you can see, this is going to be the same, okay? The same look once you have your account with us. What is this dashboard mean? This will explain everything, the commission that you get, the program that we have that we are selling, your sales, okay? How much commission you're gonna have for the entire year that you use our system of the program, the affiliate program that we had. And literally, this is going to be the link. I'm going to cite you an example. Here is the program that we have, the $99. Okay, so basically, don't mind this because I've changed this already, and it's gonna be 50% what I have in our affiliate program. So it will be kind of like around 50, almost $50 commission per each subscriber or anyone who will purchase the product that we are selling, that you are going to promote. Okay, so here is the link. Okay, basically, and once you go to the other another page, just copy paste. This is going to be yours. That this is going to be your, wait a minute, yeah, your affiliate link code, and uh that is what you have to promote or get that copy to all your social media account, when promoting our program. So this is what it's gonna look like. There you go. Okay, there you go. This is right, the program that we are selling. If someone bought this and pay uh, the registration, payment fee, which is the $99, half of this amount will be goes to you because you have your affiliate link code here, and it will automatically shows up on your dashboard, which is where is that anyway? I'm kind of like confused. Yeah, this is going to be your dashboard, and it's 50%. Your sales will gonna be here, okay? Your commission and all that. So that is what basically the affiliate program that we offer. Okay, I hope this video you know make sense to you and explain everything. So all of our dashboard here, all of our URL pages have, an affiliate button where you can register your account. Well, see you in another video. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.